Folks, today I'm gonna take Vampire 2 out for a spin. In my opinion, a really strong DD. You have 6 guns, you have good concealment, you have crawling smoke, you have hydro, all the good stuff. One drawback is that you only have one torpedo mount, but you can launch single torpedoes, so that's good at least. So, concealment-wise, 5.8 kilometers. It's very decent. Our artillery, good reload, okay fire chance, okay damage. So yeah, good turn time too. Torpedoes, you have good damage, good speed, so a decent reload as well. Also one drawback is that if you meet subs, your depth charges are really weird. I'm gonna show you in the video. And there are quite a few of them as well. Right, so equipment-wise, as I said, the crawling smoke generator, which means that you can stay at 1/4 of your maximum speed and always be in your smoke and always be moving, so that's really good. You have your hydro with 5 kilometers detection of ships. One drawback is that you don't have any heal modules, same as I usually have. I don't have the propulsion since uh, Vampire can't have it just as the British DDs, so steering gears, of course. And I want faster reload, so I took main battery modification 3. Flags, I'm gonna keep all of those, but those two down here are a really good combination, so if you have them, then use them. Commander-wise, this is my build, usually to those two. More health, more consumables, better concealment, better fire, also real time of the consumables and longer action time of them, and adrenaline rush, of course. Right, so that's about it. Let's see how this goes. Let's roll. So far, so good. We only have one raider, as I can see. A couple of hydros, of course. We have Shimakaze, who has better detection than I do. And Yaga, and Kagero, and the sub. We'll see how it goes. Since I have both my smoke and hydro, I think I'm gonna go for B and hope that Alaska isn't around. But yeah, they will spot me first, so if I get spotted, I will throw my smoke and hydro and go steadily forward and hopefully catch a destroyer. Or if he goes straight for me, then I'll smoke up and wait for him. Yeah, something like that. I guess I won't have the best support here. Oh yeah, look at these depth charges. Actually pretty cool, but I'm not sure how decent they are when you meet the sub. Gotta turn my stern here into the cab, so a fast getaway if needed. I think that we will have 2 DDs at A. Oh, please stay inside. Oh, thank you. Alright, so we have Jaeger at Aiden. Yeah, as I can see it on the minimap if I've checked. Duh.
All stations retreat! Concentrate fire on the designated target. Get back! All stations, concentrate fire
Yeah, we
on the
won't be able
target.
to hold A. They have like more than half their fleet here, it seems. Yeah, I'm inside Alaska's radar. Oh, we have a DD at B. Going for that. I'm guessing that's Kagero. That wasn't on time. No, I haven't.
Smoke generator started.
I mean, this one is insane.
Ship is on fire! Torpedoes, dead ahead! Problem solved, sir! All stations, requesting fire on the designated target.
I'm not sure when Alaska's radar is ready, so
Reporting the target position.
oh, and I should.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target. Roger. We've spotted an enemy submarine. Concentrate fire on the designated target. Smoke screen set.
Time to stop shooting. We really need to win C soon because they're full strength at A is going east now.
Engine boost activated. Attention, reporting the target position.
Oh, please let me hit
Reporting the target
Alaska.
position.
Keep turning, keep turning.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Ah, yes, Hydro on.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target. Affirmative. Ship is on fire.
not sure if I'll be able to survive this. Phew. That's like
Requesting assistance. Affirmative.
so their Apollo is rushing.
Smoke generator started. Engine boost deactivated. All stations, concentrate fire on the target. Stone the crows.
I messed up there.
Ship is on fire.
Point near.
Problem solved, sir.
Oh, this isn't good. Irian is coming here. And I have nowhere to go.
Smoke screen set.
Boy. Oh, that was close. Ah, come on. It's... Ah, ha, 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 ha. Oh, that's sub.
Torpedoes to port. Concentrate fire on the enemy warship. Torpedoes astern. Problem solved,
Do you think I
sir.
can survive this one?
Torpedoes astern. Torpedoes to starboard.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Ah.
Good show.
I failed that. Yeah, I guess that was an acceptable game from my side, and the team was better. But overall, I think Vampire 2 is a great DD. Um, the crawling smoke and hydro combo is insanely good. Torp-wise, it's okay. Wouldn't mind a second one, of course, but you can't get it all. As I said, good concealment, so it is a strong cap contender. So overall, it's a really good DD. So if you have the research points, then get it if you're a DD player. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Take care. Bye bye.